Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Math Cafe. I hope all of you are doing fine. As you know, CBSE has reduced the syllabus and divided into two terms. The entire year has been divided into two parts, that is term 1 and term 2. Recently they have declared the syllabus for different terms. So here we are with the different term syllabus and what are the deleted topic. So let's look at the syllabus for first term. There are 4 units. First one is relation and function. Second is algebra, which consists of matrix and determinants. Third is calculus, and your 5th unit. This is the 5th unit, but for first term this is the 4th unit, linear programming. That means entire volume 1. This portion is your entire volume 1 and this is from volume 2. The linear programming is from volume 2. So 8 marks will come from relation and function, 10 marks will come from algebra, 17 marks will come from calculus and 5 marks will come from linear programming. 90 minutes time will be given to you and the total mark is 40. 10 mark is for internal assessment. From the 10 mark, 5 mark is for periodic test and 5 mark is for different mathematical activities. So let's look at the detailed syllabus. In unit 1, relation function, you have relation and function and second is inverse trigonometric function. So relation function में क्या क्या है? Types of relations, that is reflexive, symmetric and transitive, and equivalence relation is also there. One-to-one and on-to functions is there. So no composite function is there, inverse of function is not there, but they will come in your competitive exams. So as per your board point of view, the chapters which are reduced from or the exercises which are reduced from the first chapter is 1.3, entire 1.3 and 1.4. Both the exercises are deleted from your syllabus. And from miscellaneous, what is deleted? The question numbers which are deleted from miscellaneous are 1, 2, 3, 6, 7 and 14. Now let's come to second chapter, inverse trigonometric function. Only definition, range, domain and principal value branches there. So your entire 2.2 exercise and the total miscellaneous exercise has been deleted. Only 2.1 is there. Now let's move to the second unit, which is algebra. It consists of two parts. One is matrix, another is determinant. Here concept, notation, order, equality, types of matrix, zero and identity matrix, transpose of a matrix, symmetric and skew symmetric matrices, operation on matrices, addition and multiplication with a scalar, simple properties of addition, multiplication and scalar multiplication, non-commutativity of multiplication of matrices and invertible matrices. So the exercises which are deleted, the entire exercise which are deleted is 3.4. The entire 3.4 has been deleted from this matrix chapter. This is our chapter number 3. In volume 1, this is chapter number 3. And this determinant is chapter number 4. So from determinant, we have determinant of square matrix up to 3 into 3 matrix. That means 2 into 2 and 3 into 3 both. Minors and cofactors, and applications of determinants in finding the area of the triangle, adjoint and inverse of a square matrix, solving system of linear equations in 2 or 3 variables, properties of determinants has been removed. So the entire exercise 4.2 has been removed, and from exercise 4.6, from question number 1 to question number 6 has been removed. And in the miscellaneous part, what is removed? In the miscellaneous, the questions removed are 2 and question number 11 to question number 15. This much is removed from our second unit, that is algebra. Now let's move to third unit, which is calculus. It consists of continuity and differentiability and application of derivative. And it is chapter 5 of your volume 1, and this is chapter 6 of the volume 1. So from chapter 5, our exercise 5.8 has been removed. And from chapter 6, exercise 6.1 has been removed and 6.4 has been removed. And in the miscellaneous exercise, question number 3 and question number 19 has been removed. Now let's move to the fifth unit, which is linear programming. It is in volume 2. Volume 2 and chapter number 12. It is chapter number 12 in volume 2. The syllabus is introduction, related terminology such as constraints, objective function, optimization, different types of linear programming problems, graphical method of solution for problems in 2 variables, feasible and infeasible reason, only bounded part is there. Feasible and infeasible solutions, optimal feasible solutions, up to 3 non-trivial constraints. So, in this chapter, from exercise 12.1, some questions are removed. These are question number 4, 6 and question number 9. And in exercise 12.2, question number 1, question number 9 and question number 10 has been removed. And in miscellaneous exercise, question number 2 and 3 has been removed. So this is for our first term. Now let's move to term 2. In the term 2, there are 3 units. First unit is calculus, then next is vector and 3-dimensional geometry, then probability. So calculus consists of 18 marks. In unit 1, calculus is also there, but that is the derivative part. In unit 2, there is integration. And your term 2, it is entirely subjective. Vector and 3D, both the chapter contains 14 marks weightage, and probability 8 marks will come from probability. Similarly, the paper is of 40 marks and 10 marks will come from internal assessment. And this internal assessment, again 5 marks from periodic test and 5 marks from mathematical activity. Total 50 marks for each term. And the calculus part consists of 3 chapters. One is integrals, second is application of the integrals, third is differential equation. In integrals, entire chapter 7 will come. Chapter 7, and the excluded exercises are exercise 7.8, that is limit of sum. Limit of sum is not there. Any limit of sum question has been omitted. So if you found any limit of sum question, just leave it. And in miscellaneous, question number 40 has been removed. That is a limit of sum question. And in application of the integrals, that means the chapter 8. It is chapter 8, application of integration. In chapter 8, entire 8.2, exercise 8.2 has been removed. Only 8.1 is there, and from miscellaneous, they have removed question number 12, 18 and 19. And from differential equation, everything is there. Only a particular type of differential equation has been removed. Only question number 19 has been removed, and from the miscellaneous exercise, question number 3, question number 5 and question number 17 has been removed. Now let's move to our next section, which consists of vectors and three-dimensional geometry. And it is our chapter number 10, vectors, and this 3D geometry is chapter 11. This is from volume 2. Our entire second term is from volume 2. And this chapter number 10, only miscellaneous question number 10 has been removed from the miscellaneous exercise. And the exercise 10.5, which is given at the end of your book, exercise 10.5 in page number 622. This exercise, which is scalar triple product, this is removed. And from this chapter 11 or 3D geometry, from exercise 11.2, question number 10 and 11, from exercise 11.3, question number 12 and 13, and from miscellaneous exercise, question 3 and 5 has been removed. So this much part has been removed from this unit. Now next is our last unit, which is probability. In this chapter, that means this is our chapter 13. From chapter 13, entire 13.5 exercise has been removed. And from the miscellaneous exercise, question number 5, question number 6 and question number 9 has been removed. So we have discussed your entire deleted questions and deleted exercise from your NCERT volume 1 and volume 2. So that's all for today. Work hard, keep studying, stay home, stay safe and stay healthy.